some music and let's get working. Wait, what even was my? I didn't even change my Twitch title, bro. I was lazy to do that, bro. Alright, let's get down there. Let's get in here. Do that, and yeah, we good. Alright, cool. Stream manager. Sure, everything's going perfectly. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let me open the next VM here real quick as well while I'm at it. Just gotta get in there. Start. There you go. Get the VM open. Just full screen this bad boy here. Okay, let's go to analyst. What the hell is it like that right now? Yeah, that's weird. Let me just close that. Yeah, it's weird. It opened up like small and shit, so you just reopen it. Restart here. Hopefully, it does actually open up. Oh, it should be opening up this time. You know, I mean, and it's opening small. Okay, maybe. Let me go view. Maybe scale mode. It's probably scale mode or something, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's probably like scale mode or something. I'll just adjust it in a sec here. Okay, yeah, let me just view scale mode. Switch. And what the fuck is this? Yeah, no, I didn't really want that. Oh, there we go, perfect. We got it, we got it, we got it. Cool. It's good now. Oh, there you go. We need to go to the home analyst lab support file. Okay, so let's go in there. cd /lab zoom in here. There we go. Let's just put the files, put it in there, and then once we're in there, just issue the ls to list all the files with details. So list everything. So there you go, got everything in there. Okay. Let's command to list all the files with details. Now we already did that, and then we got the files with the details. So I guess that's the permissions there. Yep, the files with the permissions on the left side there. Compare the permissions of the malware directory with the minimum says where is the fuck is malware? Malware with many net. Okay, we can compare that. What is the difference between the beginning part of the malware and the many net services? So malware is a directory, whereas many net is not probably a file, or well, file is a directory, but probably like a text file or something in there. More than own commands work with directory in the same way that work with files. Okay. Symbol like line symbol special. This is like my music is way too loud now. Wait, what was my? I didn't check my like thing. Yo, Mitch, how you doing? I didn't check my tile. Okay, yeah, we are actually doing the next practice, I guess. How's it going, Mitch? I've been trying to recover an account for PS, but I don't remember what the email is. It's annoying. Do you remember like the username? Do you know the username? It's not my main, so worse you do. Maybe try searching for like the username online, like the account. And then try like from that, try finding the email. Do you remember your password as well? But they're not supposed. Yeah, I was gonna ask you, if you remember your password, you could definitely get your email from them if you know your username and your password. Just tell them you forgot what email was linked to it. They should help you with that. I'm not 100%, but it's 1 of 3. Okay. What do you have on the account? Why you want to get the account back? You have something important on it. Okay, so there's 3 different subtypes. So that's regular files is just dash and directory is D. Okay. Not really. I just wanted to take an account. You can create an account pretty fast. Like, I remember I used to create accounts to get free Players Plus all the time. Like, I had like 11 accounts or something that I created, bro, just to get free Players Plus. I had so many accounts I created. It was crazy. I wish I remembered their like login. I wish I remember their login. I could have just given you an account, you know, but I don't remember because I just use them for PS Plus. Had to make a new one, so I made it in New Zealand. Okay. Get that early access to FIFA. Oh my god, you still haven't learned your lesson. Why are you still playing that game, mate? Oh, obviously clubs, but well, you don't play Ultimate Team, so fair. Even then, I wouldn't give my money anymore to the company. I don't think I'm gonna buy next FIFA because I just stopped playing it. So I don't think I'm gonna buy next FIFA, to be honest. Yeah, you haven't been Ultimate Team. When was the last time you were on Ultimate Team? So regular files, readable files, so basically text files, binary files, programs, image files, and compressed files, and the rest is folders, which you store all of that into the folders. There. And you get special files, block files, files used to access physical hardware like mount points to access hard drives. Okay, files used to access physical hardware like my points to. I don't understand that, but. I had Leon asking me to play co-op with him. Who's Leon? I don't know. I'm guessing that's one of your friends. So played like 2.5 games yesterday. Actually in like 3 weeks. Oh, okay. Okay, so like 3 weeks basically of Ultimate Team. That's good. That's very good. I don't know. When was Team of the Year? I think I haven't played until the end of since end of Team D. I haven't touched the game since then. I don't think I have. Special files, block files, B files used to access physical hardware like mount points to access hard drives. Okay. Character device files, files that provide a serial stream of input and output. TTY terminals, for example, of that file. Okay, pipe files, a file used to pause machine where the first byte in all the first bytes out. This is on FIFA, first in, first out. Tots is out now. His Prem is why he wanted to play with me. Get objective with Villa player. Magin. Oh, okay, nice. Is he a Villa fan? Symbolic link files. Files used to link to other files of directories. Dirty types. Symbolic links and hard links. Socket files. These are used to port information from application to application in order to communicate over a network. Okay. Step 1, examine files. Use the LSL command to display the files in the home address folder. Notice the first characters of each line are either dash or D for a directory. So let's get to the analyst home directory again here. So let's go cd. There we go. And then analyze. To this thing. Yeah, it's mostly directories and then just one file, which is my p5.txt file, which we created the other day. We did not even finish close to getting him, but I couldn't be bothered to play anymore. Yeah, I mean, like, it must not be the best for Ultimate Team. Do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy Ultimate Team, or just you don't enjoy it anymore? Produce a listing of the directories. Go to the middle of the output and notice how the block files begin with a bit character device. Okay, let's produce a listing of the dev directory. So let's wait. Now, where's the dev? Which one is the dev one? cd/dev. Right. Oh. Okay. I just made it there. Oh, that's cool. Okay, ls, I'm guessing that's like developer or something files. Oh, yeah, I'm guessing this is the files for like the developer. It's a lot of C's, B's. I did just read through what C's, B's, and all of that means, but I kind of just forgot everything already. I just know directory is D and dash is just a normal file. Sick of getting fucked with every pack. I've had enough. Yeah. Me too, man. Me too. CB to spend any time putting shit into SPCs only get nothing back. Yeah, that's like the whole gamble aspect of the game is usually what is the most addicting part about it. But I mean, if you're over that part, then there's basically nothing that Ultimate Team offers you more than pro clubs at that point, you know. It's nice that SPCs don't really need chem anymore. Yes, however, it's just so irrelevant now. Who cares? Yeah, true. Time challenge of it is gone. It just had an endless cycle of throwing shit away to get nothing back. You still need chem on like what's it called? The goddamn thing, the weekly challenges and stuff like that. I still need chem for that. But I guess nobody really cares about those, right? Multi matchups. I don't mind playing 3D. I just don't want to open any more packs. Multi matchups, yeah, that's it. Multi matchups. I started doing them a long time ago. The multi matchups are like, for me, they were usually worth it, man. Like I've packed, I think I packed my icon, like 600k icon from a multi matchup pack. So, you know, multi matchup was pretty good for me. If I ever got anything good ever, I would have kept going. I don't get shit. Yeah, well, you did get that one player worth like 1 mil at the start of the game, didn't you? You did get that. Scroll to the middle of the output. Notice how the block files begin with a B, the character device files with a C, and the symbolic file. Okay, let me reread what they're block files. So they're used to access physical hardware like milestones. Okay. It also provides serial stream of input and output. TTY terminals, for example of stuff. Okay, I have no idea about what this is. I'm just gonna read through it for you briefly, but I don't get shit put to us. Was from Square Files. I mean, like, see, it's from one of them things you don't really expect anything, but then you get something crazy. You know what I'm saying? Again, squad battles is something I couldn't do. I mean, I'm not playing the game anymore, and like I couldn't do it when I'm playing the game. And you know, if I ever get back into the game, squad battles is still gonna be something I'm not gonna be doing, unless the AI gets to a point where it's basically just like playing a real player. You know, it's like just so random that it's like playing a real player. You know. It would be nice if there was something other than packs. Like what? What would you like other than packs? Socket files, these are used to pass information from the kitchen in order to communicate over the network. I got you. Got you. Step 1, examine file types. Use the account to display the files in the home and shoulder. Notice the first characters of each line are either and indicating a file or D indicating a directory. Okay. Oh wait, no, we already went through that. What the fuck? Yeah, I already went through that. So yeah, that's the other file types there. Bang, 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 bang. There we go. I'm not saying it should just be coins, but something. Imagine the option of a 35k pack or a Team Elite player pick. I take the Team Elite more often than not. I mean, a Team Elite player pick, you basically got that in champs before, you know, it's basically what you used to get in champs. So if they give that for squad battles, it would have to be like for, you know, like for finishing like the highest ranks, you know, can't give it for like gold 1 or something. Max rating is so dead though. Like max rating is like okay at the start of the game, but then like towards the end it's kind of just dead. You don't want that, you know. Okay, let me just, I missed something here, didn't I? No, I didn't. Look how the block files are going to be in the character device files. We can see in the symbolic files. Oh yeah, I mean like, I don't notice that. Symbolic links in Linux are like shortcuts in Windows. They are two types of links in Linux. Symbolic links and hard links. The difference between symbolic and hard links is that symbolic link file points to the file name of another file, and a hard link had a constant another file. It's gone now. It's back now with Totia, exactly. Could be something like max rating from curve featured squad. Match rating as an up to 87 rated, 1 of 3 pick type thing. When the good players are all 90. So sure, it'll be something mediocre still player from the promo. Yeah, like I think people would rather just have packs, you know, because like the limit just in your head, the limit is like, you know, there might be only one good player that you can pack because of the limit, right? But if there's no limit, then even like a bronze pack could get you R9, you know what I'm saying? If it doesn't specifically say, you know, you can't get icons from it, you can't get this from it, you can't print that from it, people are just gonna open it and hope for something, you know. But if there's a limit, then it just limits what you expect as well, you know, which doesn't really sell for gambling. Feel me? Like for example, if you know that you can win, like I don't know, a Ferrari, a Porsche, like a nice car, right? You're gonna be like, yeah, I want to gamble, I want to win that. But if they put like, I don't know, an old ass car, like an old ass car there, and they're like, yeah, that's the price, you know, we limit it to that, then nobody's gonna play. You feel me? I'd rather think you should get your back. 86 player, no plus, no minus, and 86 over a 35k pack. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. The thing is, like, that for, I guess for squad battles it's fine, but for any other mode, I don't think they would do it. And the thing is, most of the community don't really care about squad battles, so I don't think they're gonna bother about modifying squad battles too much, you know. I think they're gonna work more with champs and rivals more than anything else. I think the only reason they run like squad battles is for people that run out of PS Plus, so they can still play Ultimate Team, you know. That's the only reason that they have squad battles. If PS Plus and Xbox Live wasn't a thing, I think they would 100% just cut that off and get rid of it, to be honest. Packs are a scam. They kind of are. I feel like they should just, I feel honestly they should cut squad battles and work more on career mode. That's my opinion. I feel like squad battles should be cut off and put that work into career mode. But it's not like they do much in squad battles anyways, you know. I don't think they really care about squad battles anyways, so yeah, it's not like it's gonna change or whatever, you feel me? I don't think it's gonna change much anyways. Why? What you do? Yeah, exactly. See, I mean, I don't think they're gonna put work into squad battles anyways, but you know, like, I don't know if they have a team that somehow works on squad battles, just put them on like career mode, man. Feel me? If Ultimate Team was a play versus other people only mode, I wouldn't play it. Well, yeah, you could just play career mode then, you know. You feel me? Just play career mode then. Like, why play Ultimate Team? Why do you play Ultimate Team then? I feel like just play career mode at that point. Career is no fun. How is Ultimate Team fun then? What is fun about playing squad battles in Ultimate Team? There's no challenge or grind to getting players. Just start with like a bottom level club and play on like the highest difficulty. And then you're gonna understand the challenge. Well, start with like a lowest division club and try to win the Champions League with them, you know. Sure, started a BS club. Yeah, start with like the worst club ever and try to turn it to the best club ever. You know what I'm saying? The players I want are retired. Well, you played. Does Football Manager have like the actual players, or I think they do have the actual players. Right? They have the rights to the players. I don't want to use a weird 7 rated Messi. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, that would. I wish there was a mode. Like, I wish there was a way you could start your manager careers like 10 years ago, right? Like you could somehow play with prime Ronaldo, prime Messi, like way back. Like maybe you start your career mode in like 2010. Like they could definitely do that. Like they've probably got the data to be able to do that. That would be a really cool addition, and they call it like flashback career mode, something like that. They done that on Football Manager. See, that's a cool thing, like someone ordered the OG Football Manager players and stats into the new game. See, that's like pretty cool. That way, if you wanna like, and the thing is like what they could do, since they know how the players progress. Like, since they know how they progress, right? Since they know how the players progress, they know that Ronaldo, like at a young age, is gonna progress and then he's gonna turn into legend. They know Messi is gonna do it too. They know like Vinicius is gonna do it. They know like Mbappe is gonna do it. Like when you start with them, they are players that got potential, and then as you move on, they start turning into the players that they are nowadays. Like that would be really cool. Like, bro, like if I can make a game, you should be making that, I should be pitching that idea to EA and making money from that, honestly. Like Messi at 17, or you can play from a random year and see how they get used in your game. Say Beckham is the best player in the world right now, and Messi turns out to only get alright. Maybe, yeah, that could be true. You could also do that. You could do like a realistic mode or like a simulated mode, or where whatever happens, maybe Ronaldo's dad does not become an alcoholic, maybe he doesn't die, and therefore his son doesn't have to work hard in life and just becomes like a fucking carpenter or something, so we never even hear about Ronaldo. Can't get this goal assist to get the game time, or Barca sign a world-class winger so Messi gets sold back to Argentina. See, yeah, that could happen. That could happen. Two files are using echo. Alright, let's echo symbolic file 1, cat file 1, symbolic echo hard file 2. I'll use symbolic lengths and links are used. Short to the two types of lengths, symbolic and hard lengths. The difference between symbolic and hard is that a symbolic link points to the file name of another file and a hard points to the content of another file. So the symbolic points to the file name of another file, and a hard link points to contents. 50 files. Okay. Let's do that. So echo symbolic file on the text. Where are we creating that? Just wherever we want? I mean, I guess just wherever the hell we want. Let me just get out of dev. Let me just go back to analyst homepage. Reading. Go back to analyst and then echo. Nope. Echo. Let's do that. Echo. When you working again, by the way, Mitch? You working this week at all? Echo symbolic and then file 1 the text. Alright, echo. Symbolic and then into file1 dot txt. Yeah, that should just send that to file1, and then we're gonna get file1, get file1.txt. So we use symbolic and echo. I think the second one is hard link into file2.txt. Let's check before I make it real quick. Go hard file2.txt. There we go, and then bang, and then cat file2.txt. Bang, keeps that hard. The last career mode I played, I picked the team in Div 2. You won the UCL before I was in the Prem. Bro. How did you get into the UCL though in Div 2? Did you put yourself in the UCL? That's cheating though. Is that not cheating, just putting yourself in the UCL while being in the second division? Oh, you won the FA Cup. Oh really? You get in the Champions League when you win the FA Cup. You got Europa. You won Europa Season 2. Yeah, but what difficulty did you play in, Mitch? What did you play on the hardest? Like, what is the hardest? It's not legendary, right? There's something after legendary, ultimate. You want it on ultimate, bro? No, like I couldn't do it, honestly. I generally couldn't do it. Like I hate, yeah, like you wanted on ultimate, didn't you? Ultimate. Oh really? Ultimate is on. Really? Is it not on career mode? It's only. That's crazy how they don't have that. I guess they have it on ultimate, they have it on ultimate team just for squad balls. I bet my ass, so that people sweat their ass off even in squad balls. I feel like that's the only reason they have it in there. They know they know it's basically impossible to beat. That's why they don't have it in career mode, because it's not really going to be enjoyable. In S to create a similar link to file and then to create a hard link to file 2. So lns file1 text file1 symbolic. So lns file1 symbolic. So let's do that. lns file1 symbolic. So that's going to create symbolic link to file1, which is called file1 symbolic. Alright, and then I'm gonna create that, and then ln, I'm guessing dash h for the second one, ln dash ln. Okay, this one is just ln for hard link, ln file2 hard, ln file2. Okay, I should have probably said dot text. Fuck. Do I have to mention file2.txt? I don't know. We're gonna see here if it worked or not. file2.txt file2 hard. Alright, let's see if that works. Drafts are real shit with this CPU. Why do I get the same rewards for beating beginner as I get for beating legendary? What the point of anything but the lowest? I understand the rewards for legendary should be worse than online, that's fine, but it should be more than amateur. Yeah, true. They should like change it, but I don't know why they do that, to be honest, man. It's weird. It's really weird. It's really weird how to do that. Honestly, never understood that. So yeah, we did that, and then use the LSL command and examine the directory listing. LSL. Alright, let's do that. ls-l. So file is symbolic. File1 symbolic. File1. Where's file2? File2 hard. Okay, so the symbolic file, it points to the file, you know, that it is related to, so it points to the file. Whereas file2 hard is just another file, I guess. It's just got a link. It's like a shortcut to it, I guess. Like the symbolic link is basically a shortcut. Yeah. Notice how the file one symbolic is a symbolic with an L at the beginning of the line and a pointer to file F1. The file F2 hard appears to be a regular file because in fact it is a real file that happens to point the same node on the hard disk drive as S2. In other words, file 2 hard points to the same attributes in disk location as file 2. The number 2 in the 5th column of the listing of the file 2 hard and file text indicates there are 2 files are linked to the same node. For a directory listing, the 5th column indicates the number of directories within the directories, including hidden folders. Bro, what does that mean? For a directory listing, the 5th column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5th column, oh column, so 2, 3, 4, 6, bro, I don't know, I don't know. 5th column, for the okay, indicates that there are 2 files all linked to the same node. For a directory listing, the 5th column indicates the number of directories within the directory, including, okay, I'm just gonna fucking go through this, man. I'm gonna go crazy if I try to figure everything out right now. At some point it's gonna be repeated and then I'm gonna eventually understand it. Change the names of the original files. Yeah. Change the names of the original files. File 1.txt and file 2.txt, and notice how it affects the linked files. And we file 1.txt. Okay, so change the names of the original files, file 1 and file 2. Okay, so let's do that. So we're gonna change the name of file 1.txt to file 1 new txt. So let's do that. File 1 txt. Oh, okay, there's 2. File 1 txt, and we're gonna change it to file 1 new. I'm guessing it's gonna point to the file 1 new, maybe, and then I'm gonna change file 2 txt. I'm guessing it's gonna be file 2. Oh no, fuck. Can I undo shit in, can I undo stuff? Can I undo stuff in terminal, man? Oh, I changed it to file 1 new. Yeah, let me just change it back to file 1.txt. It still points to file 1 though. Anyway, file 1 new, and then when I file new file 1.txt, there you go. Slash now, okay, there we go. Still, it still points to file 1.txt. Wait, no, there's new file 1.txt. What the hell? Still new file. I don't know if I screwed this up here, honestly. I move file 2.txt to file 2 new. I'm just gonna say new file 2. Move file 2. File 2.txt. New file 2.txt, and then ls. So how did the file 2? So the link stayed the same. It still points to file 1, which should not be a thing. And file 2 hold is still there as well. I don't know if it still works though. The missions and ownership are 2 of the most important aspects of Linux. They also cause problems. The file that has the wrong permission ownership set will not be available to the program when you need to access it. In this scenario, the program will usually break and errors will be encountered. Ooh, that was a lot to take in, man. I ain't gonna lie. That was a lot to take in there. And that was like 2 days. I did that in 2 days and still it was a lot to take in. Imagine I did all of this in only 1 day. I would be going crazy right now. Next video summary. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a break on the Linux right now. Could do a daily Python challenge. Let's do a daily Python challenge. Let's go. Keep going. That's that. Daily Python challenge. Daily. Did I just say daily Python? Daily Python challenge. Not really sure what day we are today. I think we're day. Yeah, we're day. Wait, what day? Day 0. What do you mean day 0, bro? Blada. I gotta sign in. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. I gotta sign in real quick here. Where's my... Oh, there it is. I think it's like way over there. There we go. It's better. Now let me just sign in real quick here, guys, and then we'll get on. There we go. We are at day 7 here, it seems. Oh, day 7. Yeah, no, we're actually at day 8. An affirmation generator. What was this? Nesting. Oh yeah, that was, we already did that. Let's go. Where is my, actually no, let's not go here. Let me just close my, cancel that, close this, and then close my VM real quick. Go back on my whole screen. Perfect. Close my VM software, and then let's go do the Python shebang affirmation generator. Let me just change my title to 100 days of Python day 8. 100 days of Python times day 8. And let's go done. Yeah. Get out of that. What did that look like? Kind of a gun there, that little thing on the side. Close the shell because I'm not gonna need that. And then go down here. Perfect. Let's get that a bit bigger. Let's zoom in a bit more. Perfect. Affirmation of insult. Ooh, an affirmation is an insult, bro. How am I just learning that an affirmation is an insult? How am I literally just learning about that? It's crazy. Okay. Today's focus is using all the skills you have done so far. Input and output, concatenation, if statements, nested if statements. Okay. So, alright, yeah, cool. Build a custom affirmation generator to give the user a customized affirmation each week of the day, each day of the week. Sorry, each week of the day. What does that mean? Make sure you ask the user for the name, the correct day of the week, a few of their favorite things. All of this information should be used to help you build your affirmations. Now let me go take a piss here, guys. I'm gonna take a quick piss, quick little break, and we'll be right back in a minute here for the challenge again, guys. Just let me take a piss, little break, and then we're gonna lock in and complete the challenge. I'll be right back in a minute, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Thank you for the follow, Luink. I'm sorry if I just butchered your name, but thank you very much for the follow, my friend. How are you doing? And welcome to the stream. Alright, we're back and the ad is over. Just wash my face. Yeah, we're back in fresh art. So make sure you also use it for the name, the current day of the week, and a few of their favorite things. All of this is used to help you build your information. Alright, so first of all, the name. So name is equal to input. What is your name? And then current day of the week. Day is equal to what day of the week it is. Is it? Sorry, what day of the week is it? And oh, okay, so yeah, that helps me. If day is equal to Monday or day is equal to Monday. So we use the if statements to whether they answer with you know, M capital or M small letter, it does not matter. So name and a few of their favorite things. Let's ask them, you know, what is your favorite I don't know. Hello Upgrade, how you doing, man? Let's ask them. What do we ask them? Give me a suggestion. What should we ask them? Like, what favorite thing should I ask the people? The goal is a unique message for each day. So okay, so based on each day we'll print something. Use concatenation to generate the information. So we will probably like add the different things together. And information on that item, you could take it. You could do a daily joke or insult. Please only mean. Keep it light and funny. Can you create if statement and do not care about capital or lowercase? We'll just do that like once we're doing it. Good, but didn't do any coding the last days. That's cool. You know, you can take a break every once in a while, but make sure you stick to it. If like, don't like just sit there all day doing coding. You could do it 1 hour a day. Just be consistent with it, and you know, if you do it a little every day, you're gonna find that, you know, you're gonna keep doing it. And again, you know, things like this, they help. Like I'm doing the 100 days of Python, so I've been doing it every day for like the past week. And doing a challenge like that will help you stick to it because it's something new every day, right? I don't want it to die down. Yeah, try to find like little challenges like this. You know, I know you want to learn more like web development, but I personally like the only web like part of web development I mean I did learn SQL, but I didn't find like any crazy like interesting challenges about it. And I'm also learning JavaScript again. I didn't there's like exorcism, but I tried it and I didn't like it. But I just didn't get my animation to work. Just didn't get to my animation to work correctly. See, like that happens, right? Like just don't give up and try to like find YouTube videos and stuff explaining like, you know, the concepts and things like that, and see if you can just change things around, see what you did wrong. Try to understand what you did wrong, you know, and why you did that wrong. And maybe that can help you, you know. I'm not the best at giving out advice. I'm so sorry, man. Oh, did I just turn off my... I don't know if I turned off this earbud here. No, it's still on. Alright. I will just ask like favorite. Or we'll just ask like car. So like car is equal to input. Can't write. Input, there we go. And let's go. What? No. What is your favorite car? There we go. Sorry about that. And there we go. I hate how the AI just like does too much sometimes. I don't think it's necessarily wrong. I think it just works that way. Okay, so it still works. It still works, but it works in a different way than you thought it would, right? It's different from what you wanted, but it still is a working animation. because I'm downloading the image of my slider a bit too late. See, maybe there's like a time thing that you could add, like a delay thing that you could add or tweak to make it, you know, work a bit faster. There could be a delay thing that you could change about it. Yeah, see, like you could, there's probably like some sort of adjustment you can make to make it smoother, and that's what you got to figure out now, I guess. Car is called input. What is your favorite car? And then okay, let's car, and then let's ask like fruit. Let's ask fruit. What is your favorite fruit? And let's ask like, okay, let's leave it at that. I'm not gonna make too much as well. Just make it like way too complicated, you know. So make sure you also use the current day of the week, which we already did, and a few favorite things. All of this information should be used to help your automations. The goal is to generate a unique message for each day of the week based on the user's answers. So if day is equal to Monday or day is equal to Monday, we're gonna print today is Monday, so you get to write. Okay, I should have used that. Drive there we go, a car. No, I don't need that. There we go. But what have you been up to recently, Outgrown? Since you haven't been programming, what have you been doing? If you don't mind me asking. If day is equal to Monday or day is equal to Monday, print today is Monday, so you get to drive a favorite car. Nice. And yeah, also please don't mean I'm never mean. And if they, so let's just put different things, you know. For a different day we're gonna like give him a different thing to do. Fruit, vegetable is equal to input I'm waiting for the AI to just, yeah, there we go. What is your favorite vegetable? There we go. And so vegetable is called input. What is your favorite vegetable? And then let's do, I think that's it. I'm not gonna add too much more now. Like today's Monday, you get to drive a car. Let's say Tuesday now. Yeah, no, let's go inside it. Let's go elif day is equal to Tuesday, or day is equal to Tuesday. Print oh no, you drove car yesterday and crashed it. You drove your car yesterday and crashed it. And let's get out of it. Not really been doing much. Okay, you just been doing some gaming, some working. What have you been doing? If you don't mind me asking, you know, or just chilling, watching some TV. Car, yep. Day is equal to Wednesday or day is equal to Wednesday. So now we're gonna go to Wednesday. Right. So Wednesday, what's gonna happen? Wednesday, you are walking to work today. Windows that. Oh, okay, I like that. And see a fruit on the sidewalk. Okay, that's nice. I like that. Nope, get rid of that, please. There we go. Good now. And get out of that. Day is equal to Thursday. Let's say print the fruit you picked up yesterday. No, it was not business because we gotta leave for the rest of the week. Or maybe, I don't know. I read some comics online, watch some YouTube. But I don't remember anything else than that right now. Ooh, okay. What comic are you reading? What are you, is it manga or like Western comics? You picked up the fruit you picked up yesterday. What's Paul's saying? He died. We're gonna revive him on Friday. Yeah, let's go over here. Elif. Nope. Bro, what am I doing? Get out of the thing. There we go. No, what are you doing? No, get back. There you go. Elif, this go to Friday. Thank you. Manhwa mostly is Korean. Oh, okay. It's nice. Also, manhwa. Don't really like black and white manga. Bro, is manhwa and manhwa like the difference between colored and like black and white? I never knew that. I thought it was just a different way to write it, to be honest. So is manhwa like the Korean version of manga? Is manga like Japanese and manhwa is Korean? Is that what it is? Elif, what is wrong with that? What is it saying that's wrong? Elif, what is wrong? What is wrong with Elif, bro? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep running. And we're gonna say print you got revived at the hospital. You will be sent back home tomorrow. And then we go into Elif day is equal to Saturday. There we go. Manga Japanese, manhwa Korean, manhwa Chinese. Ooh, okay. So wait, the Korean guys, they don't do like colored. They don't do colored comics. They only do black and white. Manga can also be colored, but it's quite rare. Okay, so manhwa, the Korean version, is like it's only black and white. Then is it not colored? Wait, no. You're going to pursue and stay. No. You got sent back home. So you made it back home and had vegetable soup to make you feel better. Alright, and then now finally else. I'm gonna like Elif day is equal to Sunday. Japanese is mostly black and white. Manhwa is mostly colored. So Japanese is, so mangas are black and white, and then the Korean one is mostly colored. Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Solo Leveling was a manhwa, right? Like it was a colored, like it was a manhwa. Or am I just tripping? Solo Leveling was, well, it is a manhwa because I think it's still being released nowadays. I'm not really sure. If you did read Solo Leveling. So Sunday, print. You made it to the end of the week. Fine. Good luck and see you tomorrow for another week of adventures. Perfect. Thank you, AL. That was a good suggestion there. My line is too long, but that's fine. We don't really care. It is correct. It is finished, by the way. Unless you read it on the internet, comic books are quite expensive. Yeah, I mean, like, that's what I thought when you said, you know, you read them, because, like, yeah, I probably wouldn't be able to afford them as well, you know. They would. How much would they cost actually? I haven't read the manhwa, but I did watch the season 1 and I really liked it. Did you watch the anime? I think this should be working here. I mean, I have an error here. I don't know why. Really? Like, I have no idea why this is an error. Elif? Why do I have an error right now? Like, why is that an error? What is an error for? Unexpected token, Elif? Why is that unexpected? Oh, whoa. There we go. That's why. No, they are mostly cheaper than normal books, but also much faster to read than normal books. Oh yeah, I mean, like, you're not gonna, like, it's mostly images, right? You're just gonna watch the images more than read them. And I feel like, see, the thing is, like, you can probably collect them and resell them later on. But the thing is, if you collect them to resell them, you would probably not have to open them. Like, they would have to be in their original packaging sealed, you know? Because if you, like, just do as much as little, like, damage them, they probably lose a lot of value. On the internet, everything is free. If you know where to look, then yeah, everything is free as long as you know where to look. I mean, the name is kind of irrelevant in this. I don't know why I even asked the name. What day of the week is it? Monday? What is your favorite car? Ferrari? No, not Ferrari, bro. Ferrari. What is your favorite fruit? Mango. Banana. What did I? So you get to drive. See, like, I should make it so. Not. Let me just so ask your day, and then, like, let me see. Like, I'll ask the car. I'll ask for the car only if, like, only if, like, that, you know, only if that there. Like, it wouldn't be able to, hold up, it doesn't really access it here though. Yeah, it doesn't really, it has to be global, it has to be defined outside. So it has to be out there, because I'm using it multiple times. I'm using the car multiple times, I guess. Okay, is there a way I can ask different questions, like different days? Now, this code technically works. It's not the best though. Also, it releases much faster than the books. Yes, there's a lot of stats out there. It's also not really as shitty as you might think. No, I use I use pirated websites, like pirate websites to watch anime all the time, bro. So yeah, like, you know. But I mainly do it because there's no, like, you see, there's no one website that has all the anime you want to watch, right? Whereas the pirated website, it will have everything because it's not buying it. But like, for example, you go to Crunchyroll, it won't have everything. You go to Netflix, they won't have everything as well, you know? Like, the worst thing about Netflix is like they have Doctor Stone, but they only have the second season. Like, what am I gonna do with the second season? I don't know what happened in the first season. Why am I just gonna start watching from the second season? You know, it makes no sense. You feel me? So, like, I just, like, the second season, I watched it on Netflix to support the creators because maybe they get paid for, like, every episode watched or whatever. But, like, the first season, I definitely watched it on, you know, another website because I couldn't do anything other. I don't really watch TV shows anymore, though. Okay. There's also a very good reading tracker. Ooh. The thing is, I don't personally like reading that much, because I tend to get like very like sidetracked, you know, like I can't just, I don't know, maybe I might have ADHD. It's comics. Yeah, maybe comics it could be a bit better. I don't know. I kind of wanna. I don't think I'm allowed to read manga on stream, right? I don't think I can do that, can I? I'm pretty sure you can't do that. I know you can't watch anime. The funny thing, I actually used to watch anime on stream and I didn't get banned for it. I actually watched anime on stream and I did not get banned for it. I know it's crazy, but yeah, I didn't get banned for it, man. Which was insane. Like, literally. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do it. But I did watch anime for like 2 weeks. I forgot what anime it was. I think it was My Hero Academia, or like, I don't remember exactly what it was. But it did not get me, bro. Hold up. There's a whole like anime or something, anime squad or something, you know, like people watch anime. Like, look, bro, people are watching Dragon Ball Z, like Detective Conan, like this guy's watching, I don't know what that is. See, like, people watch movies, like, straight up in here, bro, like on Twitch. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Look at this Dragon Ball. And this isn't like official channels or anything, you know, it's just random people. Also hate that shady Lulu emote. What even is that? I didn't use it once on purpose, so I still want to do it. Let me just check. What is shady? Oh! What is that? What is that? He's watching One Piece! And I'm pretty sure this is like new episode as well. I'm pretty sure that's a fairly new... I'm pretty sure that is like a pretty new episode. No, these guys are like, their accounts are like very old, you know, like I saw somebody, like they had like past broadcasts set, and you know, like, look, like this guy, I'm pretty sure he's broadcasted anime before as well. Like videos, okay, no, obviously he doesn't have his thing enabled, you know. But yeah, no, it's kind of crazy, man, how they do that. It's kind of insane. The only thing that... No, they definitely don't have... I can guarantee you these guys don't have the rights from the providers. Like, the one thing that they will crack down on very, very, very fast is football streaming. Like, if you're watching a football game and you show a little bit of the football game, they're gonna take your stream down. On Twitch, they take your stream down. Like, on Kick as well. On Kick, I actually used to do it on Kick. I used to like share me watching football on Kick, and at first they didn't really care about it because, like at first, no, not American football, like actual like like actual football, not that. Or gets awesome series maybe considered public domain. No, 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 no. I mean, like One Piece is definitely not public domain. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like Kick used to let you do whatever you wanted. Like there was literally like right now it's like half naked women, but before it was like 90% naked women, if you know what I'm saying, on the website. So they didn't really care. But now that they're invested a bit more on it, like they have a Formula One and team and stuff, they invested in a team on the Premier League. I think they sponsor Everton, they've spent a lot of money, so they definitely want to make it. They're getting hit by reality. Now I'm like, they can't really have like the copyrighted stuff and all that on a website, because if they let it just run, they will be the one responsible. They will be the one having to pay the consequences. So they just, yeah, they didn't ban me. Like they gave me like a warning, and they gave me a 15-minute timeout, so I couldn't stream for 15 minutes, and then after that I could just restart the stream. But again, I guess if you got multiple timeouts, they would just ban you at some point. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But they paid like the big streamers like Adin Ross, like Amurath, and all that to get them on their side, and like seems like it worked out in it. I don't need name here, bro. Like, what does my name matter for the name of the week? Let's get rid of the name here. Yeah, day, car, fruit, vegetable. Yeah, let's leave it at that. Let's run it. Say today is a Sunday, or let's say today is Saturday. What is your favorite car? Honda. What is your favorite pole? Fruit, apple, favorite vegetable, carrot. You made it back home and had carrot soup to make you feel better. I mean, like, it's, what, I'm not gonna spend more time on this code, man. It works. We got the basics down. This is very like what it asked me to write is very I don't know. Let's just leave it at that. If they continue like that, it's just gonna be people banned on Twitch, and people doing content not allowed on Twitch. To be an actual competitor, they would have to get away from that image. Yeah, true, exactly. They would have to like build a legit like legit viewers if they wanted to like be legit with it, and build a content, like be a competitor to Twitch. They would actually have to make legit stuff, and not just a website about women half naked and like people streaming random stuff, like whatever they want. They have to put some moderation on the website, which they did. Now the website is a lot better, except the website is mainly for big streamers. Like I don't see a lot of small streamers on there. Be right back. I'll see you when you're back, Upgrunt. Take care, man, and I'll see you when you're back here. There's a common error when joining if statements using logical and or not. In this example, I'm trying to ignore the capitalization of the name for saying hi to Dave. If the name is called Dave or Dave, print hi Dave. The computer does not read this if statement. Same way person does. The left side is saying if the name is equal to Dave, but the computer reads the right side saying does Dave exist. Just fix this. We need to restate the full question. Okay. Then if name is equal to Dave or name. So the left side is saying is the name equal to Dave. Oh, okay. So we need to redo the whole thing again. Alright. Cool, I got you, bro. That's it. That was it. That was simple. But we didn't really do much again. Maybe that's why we didn't really do much here at all. Like, not at all. So That might have been a bit why that might have happened, but that's cool. It's cool. It's not the end of the world. Smoke is complete. Yes, sir. And then can we go back? Let me go back to the 100 days of code here. State complete, and that's day 9. Day 9. We can do day 9 now. Days of code casting. That's an interesting one. I haven't learned casting before. We will do that at another point. Let me go ahead and let me do a TryHackMe room right now. What time is it? Yeah. Let me do a try. Let me do a little bit of a TryHackMe room. Just a little bit. Just learn something new here as well, and as well as maintain my streak. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Let's do the intro to pipeline automation. You're back. Welcome back, man. That was quick. That was very quick. Let me just change the italic to that. There we go. Done. You're not wasting no time. Yeah, you got back pretty fast, man. Mr. Abgon got back pretty fast. DevOps pipeline explained. Before learning about automation security, you should start by defining the pipeline and showing where automation can take place. Alright. So source code storage and version control, continuous integration, environments, automated testing, dependency management, and it goes to the source code storage and version control. Alright. Just had to go down real quick. Got called. Okay. For each of these items, we'll look at what they are, the common tools used for them, introduction to the security, and a case study of what can happen when security fails. Each of these components will be reviewed in depth in the coming rooms of this module. Where is the pipeline in our end product deployed? We're in the pipeline. We're in the pipeline. In oh boy, I don't know, bro. Dependency management, I guess. Dependency. How do you write dependency management? How do you write dependency? Dependency. No. Look at the last block in the diagram. Oh, the last block is the. What's the last block? Is it the environments? I'm guessing it's the environments. Yeah, I mean, I guess you would be deployed in an environment, right? Yeah, there we go. My fault. There is a really slim space between my images and I don't know why. Help me, web dev god. There's a very slim space between my images and I don't know why. Slim space. Like, do you mean like the images are like close together? Like if this and this laptop right here were really close together? Is that what you mean by like a slim space between them? Source code and version control. So right, let's take a look at source code and version control. To start our pipeline with the location where we can start our code. Furthermore, we often want to keep several versions of our code since we are continuously making improvements and features. Okay. Like after like every every time the same images repeat. Maybe you should just try with 10 different images. Like after every fourth, every time the same image repeats. So like, does it repeat the full like the same four images? Like, is it four images, and then it repeats the four images? It keeps doing that, or is it like, you know, just repeating the last, like the fourth image again and again and again and again and again? You know, does it keep just putting the fourth image out? You made four images and put them in multiple times. Okay. I mean, it would be simpler if you just, are you in the Discord? If you're in the Discord, just like send me um a link at like a image in the Discord. That would be like much simpler to understand, you know, like if I can visualize it. We need to consider several things when deciding where to start code. Yeah, Git, and I mean, I know Git, like GitHub. Give me one way. Ah, no worries. I did not know Apache was open source. I just found that out. Look, Discord, alright. Oh, you sent an MKV. What is that? See, I don't want to open that. Could you just send me a picture? Could you just send me a picture of like the website? Don't send me like files. I mean, I could. Do I have to download it? I don't want to download it. Oh, it's a vid. Why do I have to download it though? That sucks. You know, I don't wanna. You should be able to send videos like just upload it. Just upload it. You should be able to just upload it normally. You want 1 minute? Alright. Just like upload it to the Discord. Don't send me like the video thing. Just upload it there and I'll watch it. I'll see, like, I don't mind opening it, but I wouldn't be like a very smart person learning cybersecurity when I'm just like opening something that somebody sent me, you know? Like, not very safe. Feel me? Our source code is our secret source, okay? Git never forgets, alright. Where to upload it to? I am logged out. Can you not send it to Discord? Does Discord not allow like? Did you upload a file? If you just drag and drop it, does it not just send the video normally? Like I don't know if I have a video in here somewhere. I have like very long videos. Okay, well fuck. Yeah, that's actual videos here. I don't think I have any.
Should you take the 3084 plus players pack over Tony Cruz?
I was like me just doing some stuff back there, bro. Look at my. I look like a straight up caveman there. Even though it's MP4. Let me upload and see if it works. Let me do it. See if it works. Upload to general. Yep. Let's see. Send that. Oh yeah, no, I don't know why it does that. You used to be able to just send videos. I don't know what does it like you anymore. Like, don't understand that. I mean, like, yeah, just share a screenshot then, I guess. Just use screenshot. Screenshot, like, don't tell me it's gonna tell me to download screenshots now. That's weird as hell. It should be able to like, yeah, should be able to just send images. Get never forgets. All right. John's here. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Yeah, that's actually smart. That actually, just let me know whenever. Okay, there you go. There you're live. Oh, there it is. Alright, so let me just do that. So you got GitHub. It's going very fast. It's going extremely fast. And there's a little bit of space. Yeah, I'll see the space in between them here. And then it just disappears. Yeah, I'll see that space there. Should try blending them together, like adding some sort of blend together there. I'm sure that like carousel video, it's called a carousel. I'm pretty sure it's called carousel. Web page carousel. Carousel. Create a slider, crazy effects using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright, let's see that.
Then a class, how we will go in when the user clicks on the next button. I will assign the character animation.
What's the final product?
When the user clicks the next button, I will run a function and list of thumbnail images. Let's review this principle, but in front of the carousel class so that the system and an auto-run
this one is just like it just moves in the background like it's a whole thing.
for this action. Use clear timeout to ensure that
It's not like let's leave it. I'll leave this thing again. Oh yeah, there it is. But yeah, like basically like this is not like what you want, right? I'm pretty sure this is not what you want. CSS only. Yeah, I mean like, these sliders are like big image. Yeah, they're doing the big image sliders, which is probably not what you want. I don't know why it behaves that way. Honestly, I suck at web development, so I can't really help you with this one, man. Honestly. Yeah, let's see this one here. This one seems a bit like more what you're trying to do.
variable, the active class.
Is it sliding or not? I don't know if it's sliding or not.
Is the position that continuously click the slider appears. I will clear the refresh interval counter and let it count the time again from the beginning.
Maybe try this, but then again, this isn't like, it's not going across the screen, it's just switching between them. Like it's going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not like sliding across the screen, which is what you're trying to do. I don't know what that effect is called though, you know. The thing is, I have no idea what that effect is called, like the effect where it just slides across the screen. Honestly, I have zero idea. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Who's the largest provider? GitHub, obviously. GitHub. There we go. Get something get, right? Oh, I forgot what he was. What it is that he's used here? Hold on, what is used here? Oh, there we go. GitLab. There we go. GitLab. There you go. Gitty leaks. There we go. This is kind of boring. This is not stuff I kind of. I don't really care about that. I think I'm just gonna go out of here. Could do some JavaScript. We could get back to the boring-ish stuff. Well, I've got ads running right now, so let me just use that and go to the toilet real quick, and I'll actually let me just chill for a bit here and go to the toilet in a little bit. But I lost my goddamn slippers. My slippers are just lost under my table right now. There we go, I got them back. Got him. Let me just get on YouTube for a bit here, see if there's anything interesting. What is that? Mexican cultural raid? What game is that? Oh, it's Call of Duty. Ooh, live bug bounty hunting. I like that. Hacking IBM, huh? But he just learned all stuff 10. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see what he does really. Okay. Bunch of terminal stuff really. Yeah, I like that. He just got like 3 terminals open, just going away at it, and I have no idea what's going on. It's pretty, yeah. It's nice though. Alright. A gum, give me a gum. What? What did I want to say? That just okay. Actually, this. Love that, man. Alright, let me do something else here, bro. Because we're just sitting doing nothing. Kind of boring stuff right now. What do we want to do? What do we want to do? I mean, I don't know what I don't even know what I want to do here, to be honest. I just watch some videos. Just watch like 1 or 2 videos here, just to chill. And then if you want to get back into the groove and you know, do everything else, we'll just do that. The hacktivist. What is that? Let me go to my upload list. Yeah, I have the hacking Google series, bro. Let me do that. Actually do that. Let's actually do that here. Let's watch that. Reg 0 hacking Google. There you go.
Normandy, 1204 AD. For 2 years, the English-occupied fortress known as the Chateau Gaillard has withstood the trebuchets, battering rams, and tunneling efforts of an attacking French army. It was a stalemate, one that might have continued indefinitely, were it not for an otherwise unremarkable French foot soldier named Peter Bougie. One bloody day, as the battle raged around him, Bougie scanned the exterior of the fortress and saw what no one else did: a weak point, ready to be exploited. By some accounts, it was the exit chute of a latrine located inside the fortress's chapel, added at the specific request of England's King John. Regardless of origin, it was a flaw, the only one Bougie needed to enter undetected. Once in, he hauled up dozens of his waiting French comrades. Chaos ensued. English defenders scattered. The siege was over. Thousands of tons of stone, the latest in defensive architecture. And yet no one had thought to secure the toilet. And so the vulnerability sat, unnoticed for years, until the moment when Peter Bougie spotted it.
That's so funny, bro.
His way into history. Today's fortresses are made of code, not stone. They guard information, not territory or treasure. But they still contain vulnerabilities, architectural flaws overlooked by their creators. And just like in 1204, the Peter Bougies of today, hackers, spies, cybercriminals, are searching for undiscovered ways to gain access. So what do you do if you're responsible for protecting the accounts, data centers, and cloud systems relied on by people around the world? You do everything you can to find the vulnerabilities first, wherever they may be. When it's your job to keep billions of people safe online, you have to live and breathe and see the internet just like the attackers do. Because the only way to stop a hacker is to think like one.
It's like a pretty damn cool documentary, I ain't gonna lie.
Remember Royal? He's in charge of privacy, safety, and security at Google.
How are you?
Hey Royal, good to see you again.
Good to see you. Oh, there you're coming out of that little box there. We are the central team that looks out across all of the Google products for the privacy of users.
What are you watching? This is a documentary by Google called Hacking Google. It's very interesting, and I highly recommend watching it. They have it seems like this might be the last episode. Yeah, this might be the last episode here. But yeah, that was it is a very, very, very nice documentary. I like it a lot. Yeah, 100% would recommend watching it.
Security of Google and much of the internet.
Wait, much of the internet? That seems like a lot of extra work.
Right.
At privacy, I knew the whole thing was a hoax. What do you mean at privacy?
But to make sure Google
User,
Wait, did I?
you're
Did I
coming out
miss
of that
something?
little box there. We
That he
are
said
the
there?
central team that looks out across all of the Google products for the privacy of users, the security of Google and much of the internet.
Wait,
Oh,
much of the internet?
okay.
That seems like a lot of extra work.
Yeah, yeah, I
To
got
make
it
sure
now.
Google's users are safe. It's necessary. After all, people don't just use Google's apps and cloud services.
I mean, that's
They
what
use
they gotta
hundreds of
tell you, you know?
devices,
That's what they're
tools,
telling
websites,
you.
And operating systems, all different, all connected, just as the internet's founders intended.
They made a decision very early on to open source the standards by which computers and then ultimately web pages would communicate with one another. That was a
It's pretty
conscious
quiet.
decision
What is quiet? The video? The video is quiet? Hold up. Let's check.
to have an open internet.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that.
You can place
That
the
should be better now,
improvements
right?
in the lives of the billions of people on this planet at the feet of that
Yes.
decision
Alright, perfect.
to allow
better
everyone to
now?
participate and innovate.
But this interconnected world comes at a price. Today, a vulnerability in any part of the system threatens every part of the system.
Let's say I'm a normal user. I wake up, I get my coffee, I open up my phone. This phone is made by one company. I click on a button to check my email. The app is written by another company. I see a link, I click that link. It opens up my social media site. Something
Yep,
that to a
perfect.
normal user is a 90-second experience that seems like it's nice and smooth and integrated. There's actually a lot of complexity on the back end.
The safety of that individual depends on finding a vulnerability and getting it fixed faster in one of those dependent platforms, computers, software packages before they're abused. The open internet is harder to defend. Google said we're going to dedicate a team to finding the hardest to find vulnerabilities.
Who's responsible for this team of elite hackers? Meet Parisa Tabriz. She oversees Google's Project Zero, and in a former life, was a bit of a hacker herself.
I think I identified at some point as a hacker. I still am in spirit, but I also think of myself as more a hacker manager than a hacker.
Years of dealing with the world's nastiest exploits and vulnerabilities has
I
made
like
her
that
the
little
perfect
animation
person to
there.
guide a team that's always on the hunt for new ones.
I love that. Absolutely love that.
Project Zero makes the internet safer by looking at it through a hacker lens and trying to rigorously, ruthlessly break it and then fix it and prevent problems from happening in the first place.
That's right.
I mean, at least it's security. Google is pretty good, and they have the resources that yeah,
Project-
they have like. If you watch the whole documentary, you see like a lot of their team members, and yeah, they do have quite a few people that do take care of their security. Lots of people, so yeah, pretty good at doing it. And they do have a bug bounty program as well. So if you found a vulnerability in Google, so if you found a vulnerability, like a bug, whatever, like something that could be exploited to do harm, they pay you for that. Google will actually pay you for that, which is pretty cool. It's pretty damn cool.
Zero is a team of hackers that makes the internet safer by trying to hack it. Each success eliminates a weak point that would have threatened the people and businesses that rely on Google and the internet at large. But to understand this team's name, you have to understand the vulnerability.
Most companies have that. Yeah, most big companies will have like a cybersecurity, like department cybersecurity team. Yeah, like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Tesla. You know, they will have a team working on that. Or you know, if you mean like the bug bounties, some companies don't give out bug bounties, but a lot of them do. I think Google do, Yahoo do. I think Amazon might do as well. I don't know, but I knew there is. Yeah, quite a few big companies have it.
Vulnerabilities they hunt. A zero-day vulnerability is a weak point in a program's code that's been discovered by an attacker, but not by the people responsible for fixing it. That means when the vulnerability is exploited, defenders will have had 0 days notice. They'll be surprised, exposed, scrambling, just like the English defenders inside Chateau Gaillard.
0-day vulnerabilities are too powerful, too cheap, and too numerous. And we think someone has to do something about making them harder to use, making them more expensive, making them less frequent.
0 days have been used in cyber attacks of all kinds, from surveilling human rights activists to damaging physical infrastructure to, well, you remember Aurora.
The vulnerability that was exploited there was a bug in Internet Explorer, a Microsoft product. That is the kind of case in point that sometimes the weakest point for Google might be a non-Google product.
This is Tim.
I love how they just pointed out it was a Microsoft like vulnerability, you know, and if it was an actual Google vulnerability, they probably wouldn't have mentioned it, you know. But because it's a Microsoft one, you know, and they can say, you know, don't use Microsoft Edge, use Google Chrome. They just put that out there, you know, just
Smiling is encouraged.
just so you subconsciously, you know, have to use that. I love it.
All right. Hi.
Tim is the ringleader of Project Zero, and at the age of 15, he was hacked.
I was chatting to random people, and they're like, "Do you want a cup holder?" I'm like, "What? Do you want a cup holder?" I'm like, okay. And then they opened my CD drive. And I was like, oh, that's really cool. Like, how did you do that? And then they wouldn't tell me.
Each member of the team has their own origin
Do you want a
story,
cup
but they all
holder?
have
Oh,
a few
that's
things
funny,
in
man.
common.
That's
So,
funny.
Great Project Zero member is somebody who loves security research and finding bugs and wanting to find problems that nobody else knows exist. Sometimes people will ask me, how do you find a bug? Or how do you do vulnerability research? And at the end of the day, it's almost like asking someone, how do you make art?
To find vulnerabilities hidden inside connected fortresses of all kinds, you need the best. A hacker who can hack anything.
My motto is hack everything.
Meet Natalie.
Hey.
True to her motto, Natalie has hacked phones, webcams, arcade games, microwaves, selfie sticks.
I do have like a crate of like 50 dismantled selfie sticks.
Keyboards, USB sticks, battery packs, fans, and Tamagotchis.
I won't lie, I am extremely big fan of Tamagotchis. If you want to hack strange things, there's a lot of stuff out there.
And that's just what she does on the weekends. At work, she looks for dangerous vulnerabilities in the apps used by billions of people.
I've been looking for vulnerabilities in software for more than 10 years now, and you start to get a feel for where vulnerabilities will be. What sort of stuff do developers make mistakes while writing? And video processing is actually a big one.
That's right. The apps we use every day to talk to family, friends, school, and work were potentially home to a 0-day vulnerability. With little more than a hunch, Natalie went to work, testing the defensive architecture of various video chat apps by calling herself a lot.
I would say 1 in 1,000 things I tried or less worked. That's the nature of hacking and finding vulnerabilities. Almost everything you try doesn't work, but the odd thing does.
In this case, the odd thing led to an important discovery. A way to force someone's phone to start transmitting video and audio without them even knowing. Here's how the hack actually works. Natalie sends a chunk of data, known as a packet, to a target phone. A perfectly normal step in making a video call. But hidden in this packet, along with the typical call commands, is extra data that the target software isn't expecting. Most random extra data would simply cause an error, but this extra data, one of the thousands of combinations Natalie tried, acts like a key, tricking the target phone into answering the call without anyone even touching it. Vulnerability confirmed, exploit executed, hack completed. 5 different video chat applications all had the vulnerability. Meaning, if you're one of the billions of people that use these services, it would have been possible for someone to watch and listen to you without your knowledge. Fortunately, there was no evidence the flaw had ever been used for harm. But just like with all of Project Zero's biggest finds, the implications for the safety of our connected world were more than a little ominous.
There always is this caution where, you know, what might be a good day at work for you is actually a bad day for users and might reveal something about security that shows things are less secure than we thought.
As soon as Natalie notified the various companies of their app's vulnerabilities, changes got made, patches went out, the online world got a little more secure. But getting 0 days fixed quickly hasn't always been so easy. Back in the 90s, members of the hacker collective, The Loft, would look for vulnerabilities in the early internet, then do whatever it took to get people to listen, even talk to Congress.
The Washington Post described you as rock stars of the computer hacking elite. We appreciate your being with us here today. Within 30 minutes, the 7 of you could make the internet unusable for the entire nation. Is that correct?
That's correct. And until the problem mushrooms up and enough people complain about it, then they'll come out with a public fix.
It was fairly common for particular companies, if you would report a bug to them, some of them took more than 6 months to get fixed.
Yeah.
Some of them were they just were never fixed. They just went into a black hole.
Why did this guy just run over that cone there? Like, why would you just drive over the goddamn code? Just go around it, bro. It's not that tough. It's not that complicated. Alright, let me just go take a piss here, man. That cone driving, smashing just destroyed my PP holding ability. Give me 1 minute. I'll be right back here. Poor cone. Yep. Alright, I am back. We are back. Perfect. There we go. And let me just stop. There we go. Perfect.
So when Project Zero finds a vulnerability from our own research, we report it to the company. That's day 0. This is the vulnerability. This is where we think it is. Sometimes even this is how we think you should fix it. and that's when we'll start the timer. If a company doesn't fix the bug in 90 days, then on day 90, we put it all online.
By online, he means on the Project Zero blog. And while this kind of reveal doesn't happen often, the prospect of having an unpatched vulnerability exposed to the whole world is a powerful motivator.
Companies would disagree with us, by the way. They would prefer that we stay silent a lot of the time and not talk about this type of stuff. The real core of all of this is that users lose when things don't get fixed quickly.
That's true, but big companies don't really care
In
about
December
that.
2018, Google's Threat Analysis Group, or TAG, had discovered a cache of exploits that were being used against a popular mobile device. They came over to Project Zero for analysis. We were able to reverse the exploits, reverse out the vulnerabilities. The implant in there allowed them to pull chat history, photos, GPS locations, you name it, it was capable of doing it. We reported those issues to the company, and the company that makes that device, I believe, pushed out a fix within 7 days.
More troubling was that Project Zero's analysis revealed the exploits had been in use for quite some time.
The exploits that were discovered went back many generations of this particular mobile technology device. This had been happening for many years.
Damn.
The exploits were being used to surveil members of the Uyghur community, an ethnic minority in China.
Seeing a capability like this being used against a population, it's like a stark reminder of what we're doing here has importance. And it's not just, playing around with code or dealing with vendor politics or company politics when it comes to disclosures and to and fro's. Like, there are real people getting attacked by bugs like this, and it's important that we do something about it.
The exploit being used to surveil the Uyghurs was a major find, but it was just one of many. To date, Project Zero has found over 1,800 zero-day vulnerabilities in everything from operating systems to dating sites to Google's own apps and services. That's 1,800 trapdoors that will never be crawled through, 1,800 fortresses that have been made a little more secure. But every day, new code is written, new apps are launched, and the internet we all depend on gets a little more interconnected and a little more vulnerable.
Is my job getting harder every year? Well, I hope so, because otherwise we're probably not doing it well.
We could sometimes see on the forums these financial attackers, credit card thieves being like, darn it, that didn't work anymore. And that was extremely satisfying because I think everyone deserves to be secure. I think that vulnerabilities and security problems harm people, both financially and sometimes physically. And I think it's important that everyone is able to use computers in a way that doesn't threaten them.
Is there an end game for Project Zero? I would like to see a world where it's incredibly hard to find a vulnerability. Will we get there anytime soon? Probably not. But does that mean we should stop trying? Absolutely not.
So, Project
That sequence kind of told between the line that the software is much more vulnerable than Google. Yeah, kind of.
Zero stays on the battlefield, inspecting the walls, trying to find and test vulnerabilities first, so they can never be used for harm.
I mean, these guys are testing
hackers who use their
vulnerabilities
skills
for they're testing vulnerabilities for everything, not just for Google products, but for every product. So yeah, it's not just Google. And myself, I'm more concerned with privacy than security. Well, the thing is, unless you're doing some crazy stuff, you shouldn't worry that much about privacy because your data is getting sold anyways. If you're using Twitch, you're using Facebook, you're using social media, your data is getting sold anyways, But if you're doing I don't know, if you're selling drugs, then obviously your privacy is important because if your privacy, what is yours is not yours anymore. If people find out, you get arrested. You feel me? You doing something illegal, you get gulagged. But if you're just doing normal stuff, there's no point really. I just don't like it. Fair, not a lot of people like it, but if you honestly don't like it, then you gotta just stop using 99.9% of the internet, to be honest, because everywhere there's cookies, there's stuff that will you know, use some of your data
harm other
and
people
sell it to
and
like
profit. And
advertisers.
I usually
you
call
know?
them attackers. And you have a lot of hackers who do their work to make software and systems more secure. And I call those folks heroes.
I don't use any social media aside from Discord, Twitch, and YouTube. I'm pretty sure Discord, Twitch, and YouTube, like, well, YouTube will definitely, like, you know, depending on what videos you watch, they'll recommend you videos on that, and your ads will be like targeted as well. You know, you will have personalized ads based on like what you watch. Definitely. I've been moving from YouTube to Invidious. What is Invidious? What is that? Is that like a video streaming service? Invidious. Oh, okay. To YouTube. Oh, you gotta install it. Never mind. YouTube front-end. To YouTube front-end. Okay. So privacy focused. It won't track you either. Let me put on some music here. Oh, you don't need a YouTube account to do that. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool that you don't need a YouTube account to do that kind of stuff online. Music might be a bit too loud now. There we go. Yeah, this is pretty nice stuff, I ain't gonna lie. Multilingual. Google can do that also, but it seems nice. I could give it a try for my phone, not on my PC though. I'd rather just not install anything, just straight up use it on my... What does it work at? Does it work as like an extension or just like a straight up a separate app that you open? Probably a Needingly concert. Yeah, I mean, like, I personally, I'm like not really, well, I'm streaming and I'm showing you like what I'm doing, so I'm definitely not like the most concerned about privacy out there, you know. It puts, so you basically access YouTube content without the trackers, basically. I'm guessing that's what it is, you know. Just gives you YouTube content without trackers. Just give me 1 sec here. Just log in real quick. Alright, should be good. Bang. Perfect. Wait, no, where? Bro, what? Didn't I just log in? Oh no. Also, I have my phases. have those phases where I am like ultra concerned. Also, my Windows is getting way too slow. Should probably uninstall, but was too lazy recently. I would like highly suggest using Linux. If Windows runs slowly on your PC, use Linux. It's so much better, honestly. Like, I have made the switch to Linux, and I could tell you 100% I would much rather use Linux. The reason why I don't use Linux on this PC you see right here is because I need it for like the apps and stuff. Windows is much more convenient. Like Windows is much more convenient in terms of like, you know, the apps and everything. It's much more convenient, but Linux is much faster, much more lightweight than Windows. It ran well until recently. Do you have like updates in the background? Because one thing I personally found out that, you know, like really slowed down my my PC's performance was having stuff running in the background. So let me just go through what I learned in this module. I'll do like the theoretical stuff right now, I guess. I'll just run through that real quick. There's probably gonna be like a lot of questions. How many questions are there gonna be? That's not even, it's 14 questions. I thought it was gonna be like 50 questions or something. It's not even that much. Cool. I just use yeah, exactly, you know. It's not Windows native, I guess, you know. It's just like, I don't use like any of the, I don't think I use any of the Windows native apps actually, because I use Brave. So I don't use their browser. I don't use like any of the Word, Office things. I use OBS, which I'm pretty sure you got OBS in Linux, but you know, like Windows is just, I don't know, like if I want a game and things like that, Windows is much more convenient than Linux. And you know, we talked about the little piracy thing earlier. It's much easier to get pirated stuff for Windows than for Linux, because Linux stuff is mostly free, right? Like, so yeah, like in terms of games, there's no, like, you can't install pirated games on Linux as far as I know. So yeah, you don't pirate games. I respect that. I just, like, you know, I can't really afford to buy games that are like $50. You feel me? I can't really afford that. So that's why I don't really do it. But if I could, like, if I like, I don't have a VPN. Where do you live again, Abgren, if you don't mind telling me? Like, where I live, the IPS, it does not care. Like, the internet provider, it does not care whether you pirate stuff, because like 99% of people here do it. 99.9% of people here, we pirate stuff, whether it's movies, games, songs, whatever. We pirate it, bro. And the government, they don't really care, because we don't make games here. Like, we don't have big game software development here. We don't have like big movie producers here. We basically don't have like anybody that could lodge a copyright complaint here. So like, they don't really care that much, you know. It does care. Yeah, I can guess Germany would care a bit more, because it's like a bigger country, you know. So yeah, if you wanna like download something, you probably would have to use a VPN, because you would probably, yeah. Europe, the sanctions would be bigger. You could maybe get away with like downloading one, but like, if you download a couple, you will probably receive a message, like a letter from your internet provider telling you to stop downloading these games, or like whatever you're downloading. And they will tell you, if you keep downloading, they won't have a choice but to cut your internet, because if you keep downloading it, the one who's gonna be like prosecuted is gonna be your internet provider as well. They could be liable as well. So yeah, they will just cut your internet. They will say like, nah bro, you know what, we can't handle that, we're gonna cut your internet, go and get internet from somebody else, you know. So yeah, you don't want that. So you would probably have to use a VPN if you did it. If my parents got such a letter, they would kill me. Well, you just download games, you know. How old are you? If you don't mind telling me. Linux is a fast, reliable, and small open source operating system. Kali Linux. Still living with my parents. I'm still living with my parents as well, to be honest. I'm still living with them. I am unemployed, so can't really do otherwise, but yeah, I'm still also living with my parents. I don't mind it, to be honest. And I'm old. I'm in my 20s. Wait, did I? Okay, I have my full screen on. I thought for a sec I had like only my face showing. I was like, wait, hold up. Don't want that. User comments. Okay, it's yep. Okay. I understand if you pirate games, but I don't have to. I have enough money and no living costs. That's fair. That's understandable. That is understandable. I mean, I don't really have to. Like, I could buy the game, but you know, the thing is, you could buy a game, but like, where do you buy your games from? Do you buy your games from Steam? Or from grey markets? Because, you know, the thing is, game developers would rather you pirate their game than buy from a grey market, because mostly the keys that are sold on grey markets are from stolen credit cards. They are boats with stolen credit cards. So usually the banks, they will charge back from the game developers, and the game developers usually have to pay more than what they get, so they lose money on chargebacks, basically. Mostly Steam. Yeah, if you buy from Steam, then it's all right, but if you buy from, like, you know, gray market, then yeah, it's better to pirate. So I just pirate, you know, because usually like Steam games, they will be quite expensive, so like I just say screw it. And I mean, like, I haven't pirated a game, I haven't even played a game in the last 2 months, honestly. So I've been a good boy. But I mean, like, yeah, I do pirate like movies and stuff like that. Even though I have Netflix doesn't have everything, you know. For example, Netflix doesn't have Mr. Robot, so I just watch it on another website, you know. But I do pay for Netflix, or, you know, if my family pays for it, so I get to use it, but I don't use it that much, to be honest. I do think series and stuff is okay, but not games for me. I mean, fair. That, like, everybody draws a line at different things. how long you're streaming today? I have no idea, honestly, until I kind of get bored, which I am already kind of bored. I'm just chatting at this point, you know, not doing that much learning. I'm doing a little bit of learning here and there, but I'm mostly chatting today. But yeah, like at most maybe for like 1 more hour, like at most. But I don't see myself lasting a full hour. I might complete this here, like this MCQ thing. I might like just finish this here and then just go, to be honest. Chat is the best for me. I'm like, this is what just keeps me, you know, motivated to just learn. If I was just learning for all this time, I would just get bored very quickly. So being able to chat with you guys makes it definitely a bit more bearable for me. What have you been up to, by the way, Mitch? Since, you know, you were, I'm guessing you were lurking. What have you been up to? Looking around, not much. Played a game of League. Ew. Oh my god. You got a pentakill and a ROM, so less impressive. Okay. Okay. I remember I played League for only 1 game and then I dropped it. Because I got absolutely clapped. And I said, no, I'm not doing that, and I just dropped it. But still been a while since I've had one. Nice, very nice. Very, very nice. Linux support a variety of different file systems, so various speed, flexibility, security, so structure, logic, and more. Was pretty satisfying how quick 4 of the 3 kills happened. I think 4 kills and 3 shots. Ooh. Okay, I'm guessing you use some sort of like area of effect skill, if that's what it's called, like a skill that just does damage like pew, like everywhere around you, to be able to kill 4 people in 3 shots. It directly won us the game too, finished it before any couldn't come back up. Nice, very nice. Sound quality, air to worse, earphones ever not come out. I've never heard about that, like those, before ever in my life. How much do they cost? How much do these cost? Never, because I've honestly never heard about them before. How much do these things cost? Let's see. Wait, no, no, I didn't need to like Google that. Okay, there you go. This sold out. I mean, like for earphones that are shit, they did get sold out, which is interesting. Are they on Amazon? Oh, I thought they were. Oh, they're 69. They're $60, bro. For 1 second there, I thought they were like $7,000, and I was like, wait, what? You just casually got 7,000? You just casually got $7,000 earphones? Like, bro, what? I had 2 area things stacked with shooting rockets so they could hit people close, and also had an item that lets me shoot multiple targets within range. Oh, okay. They have more background noise than my €5. Oh, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. I want to get, like, because of background audio, I kind of want to get a headset, but soon enough, I'm gonna move. Like, not move, like, go anywhere crazy, but, like, we're currently building, like, another level on the house, so I'm gonna move up, and it should be a lot more quiet there, so I probably won't be needing noise cancelling headphones or anything like that, which is gonna be pretty cool, you know. They have more background. I get wired earphones, best options. Honestly, wired earphones are nice, but when the wire is too short or too long, it becomes a problem. Like this here, I use this as like my earphone. I talk into it, or as my microphone, sorry, but I don't use it on my headset. One, because when it's hot, which it is a little bit hot right now, I sweat a lot, and this becomes like really sweaty, which becomes annoying. And then 2 is that I can't sit like really far away from my screen. I have to stay around here. Like, I can't just go back, you know. If I want to be a bit further away from the screen, I can't. I have to stay really close to the screen because of this cord, which is annoying. Also, when you think about getting better sound, I think you should see a video. What do you mean? I didn't really understand that. They got good reviews though. They got 4.2 out of 15k ratings. They got fairly good reviews. So, I mean, did you maybe get like bad ones, like faulty ones? I don't know, because the reviews are pretty nice on it. I can send you a link. Sure, send me the link. Just give me 1 sec here. Let's check something real quick. Now we should be good here. Look your DC. Give me one sec. What's up with the DC? Superior sound quality. Okay. He's going bald. Worth it for audio, bro. What? That's crazy.
So,
Aerodynamic saves of science. Oh no, that's crazy. He's going bald, worth it for the audio. Oh, that's crazy, man. This is the, yeah, no, that's very interesting. I might consider it. You know, if I ever wear my headset again, I might consider doing this. I might consider it. X Windows or X11 system. Ah. Okay. It was so funny for me, bro. Like, yeah, no. Goddamn, take your hair off for better aerodynamics. Love that. Absolutely love that. The guy actually said he heard a difference but wasn't sure whether it was placebo. Oh. I mean, I think it is placebo. Like, there's no way like shaving your head actually makes a difference to audio quality. Like, there's no way, bro. I don't believe that. I refuse to believe that. Well, let's get the quiz done here. An author is uploading one chapter document from a personal computer to a file server. So it's uploading it, it's a client, to a file server. Yeah, and it's uploading it to a server, so it's a client to the server, yeah. In the context of a Linux operating system, which command can be used to display the syntax and parameters for a specific command? The man, for manual. System manager data uses the command ps on a server that is running the Linux with purpose to list the processes currently running in the system. Yes. System manager data uses the apt get upgrade. Okay. Nope. The remote repository will be updated. Yes. Nope. I actually don't know about this. I think it's just updating the repositories of applications. I think it's that. Why would a rootkit be used by a hacker? To reverse engineer binary files, I think. Or maybe, yeah, to gain access to. You don't really reverse engineer using a rootkit, do you? Consider the result of the lsl command. Okay, so listing the files in a particular directory. What are the group file permissions assigned to the analyst.txt file? So let's see what are the group. So it belongs to staff. So the staff has the group, I mean the read, write, execute, read, write. They have read, write. The group has read and write. This type of tool is used by a Linux operator administrator to attack computer network to find vulnerabilities. To attack a computer. Okay, so what do we use? What type of tool we use to attack a computer? Pen testing tool? Yeah, pen testing tool, I guess. What is the benefit of Linux being an open source operating system? Can be modified and then recompiled. I don't know, I'm gonna just say that. This method can be used to harden the device. USB detection, no. Default service history panel, no. Used to reuse old passwords, no. False periodic, yep. Linux commands can be used to display the name of the current working directory. Current working directory. Which file system is a primary file system used by Apple and current Macintosh computers? Apple file system. A technician has captured packets on a network that has been running slowly when accessing the internet. Which port number should the technician look for within the captured field to get HTTP? HTTP is port 80. Which operating system source code can be downloaded and modified by any person or company? Linux. Yeah, Linux. I don't know. I don't think the Cisco IOS you can modify that, so I think it's Linux, which is open source. What is a daemon? Record to keep track of important emails, set up secret tag, and application numbers. Yep, there we go. Submit. And we got 93%. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's review what we had. So client, we knew that. Man, we knew that. Knew that. Okay, so the apt-get command is used. The apt-get upgrade is used. All installed applications will attempt to grow. Okay, so they will upgrade. They will upgrade. You don't need to like. Yeah. Okay. They will update to the latest version. I got. My fault, got that wrong. Yeah, we got pretty much everything right here, which is very nice. And then yeah, that's that done. We are kind of done with that. Yeah, I just need to complete this one lab here now, which we will do. We will do at some point. But yeah, I think right now, guys, I'm just gonna end stream. You know, call it a day. Yeah, I'm just gonna read out to Fool and just say hi to him, or to Bell. Just read out to him and say hi. Even though it's just me, I'll read out to myself, I guess. And just oh, you're back. Well, you're back just in time for me to raid this guy right here, Mr. Well, the Fool Learn. I'm gonna read out to him and just say hi to him. You know, he's a very nice guy. He's raided to me previously as well. So yeah, we'll just call it a day here. I should get an external hard drive. Why do you want an external hard drive for? Do you use a laptop? If you don't use a laptop, just slap. If you use a desktop, just slap in another hard drive in there. There should be plenty of space. Unless you've got like, I don't know, like 5 already in there. There should be space for more. For an internal one. But if you do use a laptop, then it makes sense. I have a 50 GB folder. I take them and reinstalling Windows. Why do you have a 50 GB folder? I mean, I guess you have like a backup on Windows that you. I guess you back up your Windows. Is it random? Okay, that's interesting. But yeah, Upgrund, thank you for being here. Mitch as well. Anybody that was here today, I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Much love. Some program screenshot videos. Okay. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day here. Thank you very much for watching, guys. You guys are amazing. And yeah, have a good sleep. Thank you very much, and you too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, everybody. Take care, guys. I'm out.